Tommy, reduce that current for me.
Increase.
120, 120, 120.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
This is a tank stand for 3 GP tanks. 3 GP tanks of 2000 liters. This topmost platform here contains 2 tanks, while 1 tank at the middle platform there. The middle platform down there contains 1 tank of 2000 liters. That is a 6000 liter capacity. There is our ladder. We are about to install it. You can see that the tank stand is above the parapet level of the house for good pressure. We are welding our grating sheet. Yes, we just completed this now. These 3 tanks are going up. 3 tanks of 2000 liters. That is a 6000 liter capacity. A tank stand for 3 GP tank space. 2 tank at the topmost platform here, and 1 tank at the middle here. You can see our ladder, and all the welded joints has been painted with anti-rust. All the welded joints has been painted. We are about leaving the site. You can see the height. The tank stand is above the parapet level for good pressure, and is about 3 feet away from the electrical cables.